Best Padel Rackets. Are you looking for the best padel rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best padel rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Adidas Adipower Control 3.3. Adidas Adipower Padel Racket Paddle Series, Control, size 3.3 multi-weight, black/orange. Take your padel game to the next level with the Adidas Adipower Padel Racket, designed for players of all skill levels seeking precision, power, and control. Crafted with a high-quality carbon fiber frame and a fiberglass hitting surface, this paddle delivers unmatched durability and a perfect balance between strength and flexibility. Weighing just 365 grams, the Adipower Padel Racket provides effortless maneuverability, allowing quick reactions and agile shots during intense rallies. Its unique black and orange design not only stands out on the court but also reflects the cutting-edge engineering Adidas is known for. The Control series is specifically tailored to give players superior control over every shot. Whether you're executing precise volleys at the net or powerful smashes from the baseline, this racket ensures optimal ball response and consistency. The 3.5/8-inch grip offers a comfortable, secure hold, reducing strain and enhancing your performance during long matches. Lightweight yet powerful, the Adipower is perfect for players who want to combine speed, precision, and power in every swing. Its advanced design technology maximizes energy transfer from your arm to the ball, giving you sharper angles, faster smashes, and improved accuracy. Elevate your padel experience with a racket that blends innovative technology, superior materials, and sleek aesthetics. The Adidas Adipower Padel Racket Control Series is your ultimate companion for both competitive play and casual matches, helping you perform at your best every time you step on the court. Number 2. Head Graphene 360 Plus Alpha Touch. Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series, Alpha, Elite/Pro, and Delta, Elite/Hybrid, with CB. Elevate your padel game with the Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series, designed for beginners and adult players seeking performance, comfort, and style. Available in Alpha, Elite/Pro, and Delta, Elite/Hybrid, with CB models, this versatile paddle combines innovative Graphene 360 Plus technology with high-quality polyurethane materials for enhanced stability and precision on every shot. Weighing 365 grams, this lightweight paddle ensures easy handling and quick reflexes during fast-paced rallies. The polyurethane frame and hitting surface provide a soft yet responsive feel, reducing vibration and improving control for players just starting their padel journey. Its 4.25-inch grip offers a comfortable and secure hold, minimizing hand fatigue during extended play. Designed specifically for adult beginners, the Head Graphene 360 Plus paddle helps you develop technique, accuracy, and confidence on the court. The innovative construction enhances energy transfer for sharper shots and consistent performance, whether you are practicing volleys, smashes, or baseline strokes. With its sleek and modern design, this paddle not only performs well but also looks great on the court. Lightweight, durable, and easy to handle, the Head Graphene 360 Plus paddle is ideal for recreational matches, training sessions, or casual play with friends. Step onto the court with confidence and style with the Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series, Alpha, Elite/Pro, and Delta, Elite/Hybrid, with CB, your perfect companion for mastering the fundamentals and enjoying every game. Number 3. Knox at 10 Genius Attack 18K. Babolat Technical Viper Juan LeBron Padel Racket, Red Black Silver. Step onto the court with the Babolat Technical Viper Juan LeBron Padel Racket, engineered for advanced players who demand power, precision, and control in every shot. Inspired by world-class athlete Juan LeBron, this high-performance racket combines cutting-edge technology with sleek, dynamic design to elevate your padel game. Crafted with 100% carbon fiber frame and shaft, the Technical Viper offers unmatched durability while maintaining lightweight agility at just 365 grams. Its standard grip provides a secure, comfortable hold that enhances your precision during fast volleys, smashes, and baseline strokes. The racket's advanced construction allows maximum energy transfer, giving you explosive power without compromising control. The striking red, black, and silver color scheme reflects the racket's aggressive, high-performance character, making it as stylish as it is functional. Ideal for adult advanced players, this paddle is designed to respond to your every move, offering exceptional stability and responsiveness even during intense rallies. Whether competing in tournaments or practicing with friends, the Babolat Technical Viper delivers superior spin, control, and speed, helping you dominate the court with confidence. Its carbon fiber composition ensures longevity while providing a soft yet powerful feel with every hit. Push your limits and take your padel performance to the next level with the Babolat Technical Viper Juan Lebron Padel Racket, Red Black Silver, the ultimate choice for players seeking precision, power, and professional-grade quality in a single, high-performance racket. Number 4. Babolat Technical Viper. Babolat Technical Viper Juan Lebron Padel Racket, Red Black Silver. Unleash your full potential on the padel court with the Babolat Technical Viper Juan Lebron Padel Racket, meticulously designed for advanced players who demand power, precision, and control. Inspired by world-class champion Juan Lebron, this racket combines professional-level performance with a sleek, eye-catching design in red, black, and silver. Constructed with high-quality carbon fiber frame and shaft, the Technical Viper is built to deliver maximum durability and responsiveness while maintaining a lightweight feel at just 365 grams. The standard grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, allowing you to maintain perfect control during fast volleys, smashes, and baseline shots. Its advanced carbon fiber construction provides excellent energy transfer, giving every strike extra power without sacrificing accuracy. The Babolat Technical Viper is perfect for adult advanced players looking to elevate their game. Its balanced design enhances spin, speed, and precision, making it ideal for both competitive matches and intense training sessions. Every swing feels smooth and controlled, allowing you to execute sharp angles and powerful shots with confidence. Beyond performance, this racket stands out with its modern, aggressive color scheme, reflecting the high-energy style of professional padel. Durable, lightweight, and highly responsive, the Technical Viper ensures your game stays consistent and powerful, point after point. Step onto the court ready to dominate with the Babolat Technical Viper Juan Lebron Padel Racket, Red Black Silver, the ultimate choice for serious players seeking professional-grade quality, unmatched control, and explosive performance in every match. Number 5. Bullpadel Vertex 04. Bullpadel Padel Racket Vertex 04 2025, Professional Diamond Shape Pala Padel, Sten Carbon 12K and Multi-EVA Core, Curvative and Air Power Frame Technology, High Power and Control, Vibradrive System. Experience next-level performance on the court with the Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025, a professional-grade diamond-shaped padel racket designed for players who demand both power and precision. Engineered with advanced Sten Carbon 12K technology and a multi-EVA core, this racket offers exceptional responsiveness, explosive power on smashes, and superior control on delicate shots. The innovative curvative design combined with the air power frame system ensures maximum structural strength while reducing unnecessary weight, making the racket both durable and maneuverable. At just 0.3 kilograms, it provides effortless handling without compromising on hitting power, allowing for quick reactions in fast-paced rallies. Equipped with the Vibradrive system, the Vertex 04 2025 minimizes vibrations to enhance comfort and protect against arm fatigue, ensuring a smoother playing experience even during intense matches. The carbon fiber frame and shaft add stability and durability, while the carbon/fiberglass hitting surface delivers a perfect balance of stiffness and flexibility. Designed for players of all skill levels, from ambitious beginners to seasoned professionals, this racket adapts to your playing style, whether you rely on powerful smashes, controlled volleys, or precision placement. Its sleek, modern design reflects the innovation and high performance that Bullpadel is known for. Step onto the court with confidence and dominate every rally with the Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025, the ultimate padel racket for players who want unmatched power, control, and innovation in one cutting-edge design.